Hi, good evening. This is Srinivas sir. You're watching Untold Botany. I welcome you to Untold Botany. In this session, I am going to discuss Golgi complex or the well-known Golgi apparatus. Golgi complex is a part of endomembrane system which is closely associated with the endoplasmic reticulum because the functions of the Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum are coordinated, hence they are closely present. The Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi is a worker who discovered the Golgi complex in the nerve cells of the owl. In the nerve cells. Here, Golgi complex is also called cell processing unit because the Golgi complex carries out processing of the products or the materials which are released by even other cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum. As it is concerned with the processing of that materials, it is called processing unit of the cell or the cell processing unit. And the same is called Dalton complex. All other names also there like Dalton complex, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, Dalton complex, lipochondria which is rich in lipids, lipochondria, and idiosomes, and Baker's complex or Baker's bodies, tropospongium, and dictyosome, particularly in the case of plants, it is said to be dictyosome. Golgi units in the plants or plant cells are said to be dictyosomes. So Golgi complex has all other these names like dictyosomes, tropospongium, idiosome, Baker's body, lipochondria, Golgi complex, Dalton complex, even the cell processing unit of the cell, even the middleman of the cell, I discuss why, and director of macromolecular trophic. All these are the other names of the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. If you see the structure of the Golgi complex consists of 4 types of components like vacuoles, tubules, cisternae, even the vesicles. So vesicles are the sac-like structures into which the materials are packed before transported out. So this consists of all these 4 types of components. Here, if you see the structure of the Golgi apparatus, it consists of cisternae with swollen ends, cisternae, the sac-like structures which lie parallelly. In this, it exhibits 2 phases. One is cis phase and other is trans phase. Cis phase, trans phase. Cis phase means the phase which is present towards the nuclear membrane, nucleus, otherwise endoplasmic reticulum is called cis phase, and other phase of the cisternae which faces the cell membrane outside, that is called trans phase. So here this Golgi apparatus is a polarized cell organelle. Due to the curvature, it is polarized. It exhibits 2 poles. What are they? Proximal pole, distal pole. So proximal pole lies towards the nucleus or endoplasmic reticulum. Distal pole lies towards the cell membrane. Here cis phase, if you see the structure, the shape of this cis phase is convex. That of trans phase is concave. That is concave, this is convex. So cis phase is also called as forming phase, whereas the trans phase is also called as maturing phase. And this is called proximal pole, that is called distal pole. So as it is forming, this is called youngest membrane, whereas the trans is called oldest. So like this, it consists of two phases, cis and trans. Cis is present towards the nucleus, trans is present towards the plasma membrane. Cis is convex, trans is concave. And cis is also called as forming and youngest, whereas the trans is called maturing and oldest. And here, coming to the function of the Golgi apparatus, the materials that are secreted by the endoplasmic reticulum are packed into the vesicles like this. Vesicles are forming, which are loaded with the product of endoplasmic reticulum, and these are transported through the Golgi complex, transported out of the cell or within the cell. Here, through the reverse pinocytosis, through the reverse pinocytosis. So, through the reverse pinocytosis, these are transported out. What is the process through which the sacs loaded with the materials are transported out? The process is reverse pinocytosis. So, here these are fusing with the Golgi apparatus. What are these? Vesicles are fusing with the Golgi apparatus, and this is a discharged vesicle. This is the cis phase. Through cis phase they enter, and through trans phase they exit. So before packing itself, the materials are processed. So as the materials are processed, the Golgi complex is called processing unit of the cell, as it is concerned with the processing of the materials, like glycolation or glycosidation, the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. So here processed, packed, transported out through the reverse pinocytosis. Like this, it helps in the packing and delivering the materials. So Golgi complex, it also plays a role in the growth of the root. How? So we know the root grows into deep of the soil layers in search of minerals and water. During its journey, it faces friction. For that, it needs a lubricant. Mucilage can act as lubricant. So mucilage is secreted by the root cells. Actually, the Golgi complex itself, it secretes the mucilage, which acts as a lubricant for the penetration of the root into the deep of the soil in search of minerals and water. So secretion of mucilage by root cells, so that is mediated by Golgi complex itself. So packaging and delivery, as I discussed now. Processing, as I said, glycosidation. Processing of the material also takes place. All the macromolecules which are sent out, they are sent out through the Golgi complex itself. So whatever the molecules that are being sent out are passed through the Golgi complex. Hence, the Golgi complex is called director of macromolecular traffic. This is a director which directs the macromolecules. So, director of the macromolecular traffic. And the same is called middleman. So, middleman of the cell is a mediator. It transports out the materials. Hence, middleman of the cell are the director of macromolecular traffic. The processing unit also, as it processes. And Golgi complex, it also involves in the formation of the cell wall, cell plate. All the primary cell wall materials, secondary cell wall materials are secreted by Golgi complex itself. Even it involves in the formation of phragmoplast, it involves in the formation of cell plate. Even that calcium, magnesium pectates, which are the several components, which are the chemical components present in the middle lamellum, are also secreted by the Golgi complex itself. Hence, the Golgi complex, it is called as cell secretory cell organelle, as it secretes all that materials that involve in the formation of the cell wall. And the vitellin membrane of the egg, vitellin membrane of the egg is also secreted by the Golgi complex itself. Even the acrosome of the sperm is also secreted by the Golgi complex itself. So Golgi complex is a single membrane bound cell organelle which is made up of lipids and proteins, and the protein percentage is 60%, whereas the lipid percentage is 40%. Like this, Golgi bodies are associated with the endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies are popularly known as processing units of the cell, or the cell secretory cell organelles, otherwise director of the macromolecular trophic.